Have you ever stood in the auto store aisle staring at engine oil bottles like they were written in an alien language? 5W30? Synthetic? Conventional? What do these even mean? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're cracking the code and giving you the ultimate guide to choosing the right engine oil. This isn't just about keeping your engine running, it's about making it run smoother, longer, and more efficiently. So, buckle up, because this knowledge might just save your engine and your wallet. Let's get started. 1. Understand oil viscosity. One of the first things you'll notice on an oil bottle is something like 5W30 or 10W40. That's the oil's viscosity rating, which tells you how the oil flows at different temperatures. The first number before the W stands for winter. Lower numbers mean better cold weather performance. The second number refers to how thick the oil is at engine operating temperature. For instance, 5W30 flows easily in cold starts and provides adequate protection when the engine is hot. Always follow the viscosity grade recommended in your owner's manual because your engine is built with specific tolerances that depend on it. 2. Know the oil type. There are three main types of engine oil: conventional, synthetic, and synthetic blend. Conventional oil is mineral-based and typically less expensive, but it breaks down faster and doesn't perform as well under extreme conditions. Synthetic oil, on the other hand, is engineered to last longer and perform better at high and low temperatures. It's ideal for modern engines and harsh driving. Synthetic blends give you a middle ground, offering better protection than conventional oil at a more affordable price than full synthetic. If you do a lot of short trips, towing, or live in extreme climates, synthetic is usually the smarter choice. 3. Match the oil to your driving habits and environment. How you drive and where you live plays a huge role in the type of oil you should choose. Do you drive in stop-and-go traffic, make frequent short trips, or tow heavy loads? These conditions put more stress on your engine and make synthetic oil a better fit due to its resistance to breakdown. Live in a place with freezing winters or scorching summers. Choose a multi-grade oil like 0W20 or 5W30 that adapts well to changing temperatures. Your environment and driving style are just as important as your car's make and model. 4. Check for industry certifications. Always look for certification labels like API, ILSAC, or ACEA on the oil container. These seals ensure that the oil meets industry standards for performance and engine protection. For newer cars, check for the API-SP or GF6 rating. These newer standards focus on reducing wear, increasing fuel efficiency, and keeping engines cleaner. Avoid unbranded oils or any that don't carry a certification seal. Your engine's health isn't worth the gamble. 5. Watch out for oil change interval myths. One of the biggest myths in car maintenance is the idea that you must change your oil every 3,000 miles. That may have been true back in the 80s and 90s, but modern engines and synthetic oils are built to go longer, much longer. Many cars today can safely go 5,000 to 10,000 miles between oil changes, especially when using high-quality synthetic oil. But here's the catch. You still need to follow the manufacturer's recommendation, not what your mechanic prints on that little sticker. Some mechanics push 3,000-mile changes because it means more business for them. But doing it unnecessarily is like changing your phone battery every month. It's just wasteful. 6. Use manufacturer specifications as your baseline. Your car's manufacturer knows what's best for your engine. That's why your owner's manual is the final word when it comes to viscosity grade, API rating, and oil type. Some engines are designed to run only on full synthetic oil. Others require a certain viscosity to maintain proper pressure and cooling. Using something outside the recommended specs can cause poor lubrication, overheating, and even damage sensitive engine components. So, don't just rely on what your mechanic suggests. Cross-check it with the manual. It might save you from unnecessary expenses or performance issues. That's all for this video. So, the next time you're picking engine oil, don't just grab whatever's on sale. Consider your engine type, your driving habits, the climate you live in, and what your car manufacturer recommends. It might feel like a small choice, but it can make a big difference in how long and how well your engine runs. See you in the next video.